Today we're going to be making some slime. We're going to be making color changing slime, some glitter glue slime,
and some clear slime.
Yeah! We're going to make some slime. All we're going to need is a bowl and a spoon, our 1 bottle of glue, and a 1/4 to 1/8 of a cup of liquid starch. So let's get started. First, you're going to put 1 whole bottle of Elmer's glue into your bowl. Okay, ready? You ready to pour the glue into the bowl? Stir it. You could add confetti or glitter glue. He is intrigued. I don't want to touch it like that. Now we're going to add 1/8 of a cup of liquid starch. Oh no, don't touch it. It's sticky. It's sticky. It's glue right now. We gotta add the liquid starch. And so you mix it as much as you can with a spoon, and then you knead it around with your hands. It's my favorite part. Okay, now you're going to knead it around with your hands to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. And if it's sticky, just add more liquid starch. I think I need some liquid starch. It's really sticking in my hands. You can put liquid starch on your hands and then it won't stick as much. It's not a very good consistency right now, so we're going to add some more liquid starch and see what kind of consistency. This one's pretty good. Yeah, the pink slimes turn out really neat. This one is too. Is it sticking in your hands? Let's see if we can fix that. I can't wait to show you if this is color green. The color changing part of this. It's nice and stretchy. You like it? Noah still isn't coming together. He may have put too much liquid starch in. But he's just going to keep kneading it and we'll see if it turns out. The blues turned out very nicely too. It just needed a little more kneading with 2 hands. Okay, so we're going to start the liquid glass slime. We're going to start by measuring out 1 cup of clear glue. Ingredients. Okay, Grace. So this one isn't too measured. And now we're going to add 1 cup of water to the glue. Okay, we underestimated how much there was going to be, so we have to move it to a bigger bowl. Keep it on the table. Look at that full glue, guys. Okay, now we're gonna up together. And now we're going to set that aside. And we're going to mix 1 cup of warm water with a half a teaspoon of borax powder. Be careful with that. Yes. Now stir it up. And now we're going to stir it until it dissolves. What's up, camera? Whoa. Okay, now we're going to pour the warm water and borax into the water and glue mixture. And this should make a lot of slime. But it's gonna start turning into slime right away, so you wanna mix it up. We should all split your green piles. Me. Use this spoon. Now you can mix it with your hands. Grace, keep mixing, I really like them all best.
I really like this clear slime. Still recording. That's why you went in.
Oh, hey Grace, this is a mix of all of them.
Wow. Without clear.
No, it has clear in it.
Mixed clear. Mixed clear. I'm gonna go rinse my hands a little, please.
I think the mix is the neatest. Look at that mix. Look, on the edges, there's some clear spots like that. There's some confetti. I think. Yeah, go like that.
Ew, pink is sticky.
Pink is not sticky.
Well, clear isn't sticky at all.
Clear is a different kind of interesting.
Can I run?
That's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that was yours.
Without the pants that is lined.
He's stuck in there. How about you grab him? Ooh. Grab slime. Ooh, you got some
Hey! Can I have some? I was gonna give her more. I just that's all I could get.
Hey, what's in here? Oh, there's a bear in here. The bear must have put him in there.
Bear slime. Now, do you mind if I squeeze yours into mine?
I guess not. Okay, so Grace, what do you think about the clear slime?
It's really fun.
What's your favorite slime? Do you like that one? Is that one fun? Yeah. And what's your favorite slime? I probably like the clear slime best. But I really like the blue slime too, and the pink. I like them all. I don't have a favorite.
Okay.
They're all really fun. This one's got kind of a bouncy, jiggly. Almost like a... Feels like you're playing with a jellyfish. Not that I'm really playing with a jellyfish.